back again with another motherfucking video. In today's video, as you guys see by the motherfucking title, is unboxing my new iPhone 13 Pro. I'm not even finished, Max. So I just got the new iPhone. You guys know I get too excited when I get new stuff that I really wanted and I really like, and it just makes me so happy. So today in the mail, I did get my new iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I just can't believe I could say it's mine. So basically, what happened was I just had to basically pay off my old phone, which is my iPhone 11. I don't know if you guys remember when I did the unboxing video for my iPhone 11 last year. If you guys don't remember, make sure you guys go check that video out if you guys want to. That video did a little bit of numbers, not like too high, but I think it got like 3K or 4K views or whatever. So yeah, I guess that means it's a good video. So if you guys want to go check it out, you guys can go on ahead and do that. But you guys love when I do unboxing videos, so I decided to do this with this phone too. And I really wanted this phone for like a long time. I think it was the 12 Pro Max that I wanted first, and then this had came out, and I would have never thought that I would like get this right now. So I did get the 126 gigabytes, and I got it in gold. I got it in gold. It's so cute. Mwah. It's just so gorgeous. Like, it just, look at the way it looks. So this is the thing though, I don't have a case for it yet. I don't have a screen protector for it. I don't have anything really for it. It told me in the messages that it doesn't come with a charger, so basically all I really have is a phone. That's all it really came with. So yeah, but we're gonna get straight into the unboxing part because I'm really excited to use this phone, and I already know that I'm gonna have to transfer everything from this phone to this phone, and I am trading in my phone so that way it could be cheaper. I'm still on my mom's plan, but what we did was, like, we found a money situation that we could work out. So basically she paid half and I pay half, and I'm just gonna pay the bill for it every month and everything like that. So yes. And yeah, so I'm just really grateful and really happy that I get to have this type of phone because woo, I'm just so excited. And if you guys notice that I'm talking kind of low and I'm not very, like, you know, outlandish and stuff, it's because my mom is home, so I don't want to be too loud, and she is sleeping because it is like, yeah, it's 9:44 at night, 9:44 p.m. and today is actually May 18th on a Wednesday. So yeah, I just came from work. That's why I'm doing this video so late. If it was earlier in the day, I would have been louder, but y'all know I'm loud, and I don't know if y'all like that or not, but that's just who I am. So y'all, but I'm about to get ready to open this. I'm so excited and I just can't wait. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I ordered. So basically I ordered a case for it. I ordered like 2 cases for it, and then I ordered like this thing that's gonna go around the lenses or whatever, so that way it could be a little fancy and it could also be protective or whatever, because I don't know how easily this phone can break, but I'm gonna be using it without a case for a little bit, so I don't want my phone to be like dropping or anything happens, because I'm gonna be really upset. Let me tell you, I'm gonna be really upset if anything happens to my new phone. So I'm just gonna keep it, you know, tucked and stuff, or I'm gonna just use one of my mom's cases because we have the same exact phone. She just has a white one, I have a gold one, and that's the only difference. But I'm very excited. With a capital with a capital E and a capital X. Wait, no. Why would I say that? Scratch that. I'm just very excited. So excited. But yeah, let's just get straight to the unboxing part, y'all. Kayla, stop talking and let's just wrap it up. But yeah, let me just. So for this part, I feel like you guys should be a little bit closer. So I'm just gonna, you know, like rip this thing right here. What the fuck? Do I need to do that? Oh yeah, I need to do that. Okay, it won't slip out if I don't. I'm gonna peel these off. Oh my god. Wait, why does it look silver? Oh my god. Guys, look at the phone. It's so motherfucking cute. So guys, this is the phone. This is how it looks. I don't know why it looks silver on camera, and I'm not gonna lie, it actually still looks silver even not on camera. But you can tell that it's gold because the side is fingerprints already, bro. Come on now. Oh my god, I'm getting fingerprints on it already, and I don't like that. Don't like that at all, bro. So you guys know I'm kind of extra, so I'm about to go wash my hands because I still want the brand new look or whatever, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, my dramatic ass just got back. I don't really like that it had, you know, fingerprints and stuff on it. I don't even play like that. Oh my god, now I gotta figure out a way to get this off. I'm really being dramatic right now, but like seriously, I really don't want fingerprints because I still wanted to give the new iPhone look, and right now it's just simply not giving. So yeah, no. Luckily I have this thing that I kept from my laptop. We're gonna use that to clean the side of the surface of the phone so we can get it straight. And yeah, oh, and it's working. Okay, this is a great sign, guys. Yeah, we're good. So yeah. Okay, so back to me being excited about my new phone. So basically, I thought this phone was gonna be too much for me. It's actually not. This is actually good. So I'm just gonna take this off now. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, y'all, look at that sign right. Oh no, it's the back that's really giving though. Like, y'all gotta see the back of it. Like, look, just take a good look at it. You gonna see what I'm talking about. Isn't this so beautiful? Like, this is just so freaking nice. Like, for real, for real. Like, for real, for real. Like, I just freaking love it. It's just so cute. Huh. I don't know, it's just so cute to me. I don't know, I'm just so goofy. I need to chill. But I really love this phone. Like, imagine speaking on the phone like, hello, hello, hello. Where you at? What the f you mean another just calling your phone? Who the hell is Kiana, Tommy? Like, stuff like that. But I'm not arguing on my phone because I'm single as a Pringle. I'm single. I don't even do that, yo. I don't even do that. But yeah, so we're gonna get the signs bad boy set up. But first, before we do that, oh, that's the phone. Okay, so first, before we do that, I do want to show you guys, it did say it doesn't come with a charger, but it does come with the wire that you're gonna need to charge your phone, which is good because, you know, at least if it doesn't come with the adapter, at least it comes with the wire, because I feel like that's kind of the most important. But you do need the adapter to charge it, whatever. But that's easy to get, easy to find, and all that stuff. And yeah, it's only like 20 bucks, but you can get it on Amazon for cheaper. Just saying, just saying. Y'all need to move on to Amazon. But yeah, so yeah, now let's get into setting up the phone and transferring stuff from here to here. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am going to miss this phone, my iPhone 11, like, because I don't know, I always do this. I'm gonna miss this phone. I literally always do this. I always miss my older phones. I don't know why, but I'm not about to pay all of that money, so I'd rather just trade it in and just get the newer phone for less money and da da da. So yeah, now I'm about to just set everything up because right now the phone is still turned off and everything is still on here. So we're just gonna turn this bad thing on. Oh, look at it turning on. I just be so excited. Like, I don't know why, but look at the way it's saying hello. This is so cute. So I'm gonna do a little setting up, and I'm probably just gonna turn the camera the other way so that way you guys can kind of see me setting up the phone. I don't know if y'all want to see it, but I feel like this would be an interesting process even for me to even look back on. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me just turn this around. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to set up Face ID, so if you guys see me looking crazy, that's why. Alright, let's do this. Damn, this camera look fire, not gonna lie. Position, move a little lower. What? Got it. Don't ever do that again, Kyla. Okay. Use Face ID with the mask. I don't use Face ID with the mask. I'm gonna just set that up later. Honestly. Okay guys, so this is the part where I have to use this phone. I have to bring it close to it or whatever so that way it can transfer everything. So this is how it looks when it's about to transfer the things. You just put the devices next to each other, and then basically it'll just give you the option to set up a new iPhone. Just put everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Yeah, I think I should back this phone up first though. That's what people were telling me. They were telling me like, make sure you back your phone up first because you could possibly lose all your stuff, and we don't need that to happen. So yeah, I should have honestly been did this, but nothing should go wrong. I'm just about to take that risk right now because I really don't feel like waiting all of that time for it to back up. And since it did back up at 8:40 p.m. and it's only 10 o'clock right now, that means I wouldn't even be missing out on really much of anything. It says it's gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes just for it to transfer, but that's not bad. But Jesus Christ, guys, I'm all over the place right now. I'm trying to do so much at once. They're asking for my freaking card information and all. Like, Jesus Christ. Oh, this is a lot. But I love it. But I love it. Ooh. So it's currently transferring the stuff from my old phone to the phone now. Okay, and honestly, my camera needs to really learn how to fucking focus. That's what the real honesty is. I am so excited because first of all, this camera quality is amazing. That's just for starters. And then the phone looks beautiful. Like, oh my god. I'm just very excited. And yeah, so I cannot wait to use my new phone, like just be, you know, just out with it and doing all of this and doing all of that and stuff. I just can't wait. I hope you don't need Wi-Fi to do this, because my Wi-Fi is completely shut out right now. It's not even on neither one of them. But I will get back to you guys when this is done, because I don't know when it's going to be done, but I'm not going to just sit here and just keep filming if I'm not going to be talking about anything, much of anything. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Honestly, while that's sitting there transferring, I'm going to have me a big box of cookies and fuck this shit. Ugh, it smells so good, bro. So good. You see? Cook it for me. I'm so corny, but for me, I'm funny, so I don't care. Actually, this is up for a dance celebration.
Make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. Hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it,
We're gonna call that dance. Give me the cookie.
hit it, shout it, hit it, shout it.
Y'all can tell I be on TikTok way too much, because there should be no reason why the first thing I did was rock my hip. You're done. Cancel. The fingerprints on my phone is gonna be so tight right now. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna just hit y'all when this is done. I'm about to fuck this cookie up, and yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, after about maybe 15 minutes or so, my phone has finally cut on and everything is finally stored, because this is the same exact profile picture as my old phone, so I know it's, you know. I'm gonna do a little comparison too, because I want to see which is bigger. But all right, let me do the Face ID, make sure it works. Oh, it needs the passcode. Yes, everything is on here. I'm acting like I didn't know that it was supposed to not, but I'm just saying, I'm just so excited. Okay, so you are currently using Kylo TV to share your location and find my iPhone messages. Yes, I am. But everything has to install and stuff, so it's apps that didn't install yet. Some of them did, but most of them didn't. So they shouldn't take long to install. But yeah, I'm really excited. I just cannot wait to use that, because it's just me. I don't know, but it's just when you get a new phone, you just feel like that in person. But yeah, I have to be very, very careful with this phone though, because there's no case, and that's what scares me the most. Because yeah, I don't know, it just scares me the most, because if I drop this, it's kind of over for my life. But I'm about to do a comparison to see how much bigger it is and what's really so different about this phone than this phone. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so far that's everything. I'm just currently, what the heck? Everything is still trying to go to this phone, so I have to figure out how to stop everything from going to this phone and kind of delete everything. But I can't use FaceTime and I can't use iMessage right now. I don't know why, and I don't know how to work it, but I am gonna figure all of that out off camera. So when the packages come from Amazon, I am gonna show you guys what the case that I have brought and the little accessories that I have brought from my phone or whatever, because I just want that to be a part of the video. And yeah, that's just something that I want to do. But for now, this is kind of the end of the video. This video is coming to an end. All I'm gonna do is show you guys the accessories at the very end. So yeah, I'm gonna do my outro after I show you guys the accessories and whatever. But for now, this is the closing, but the video's not over. So yeah, that's basically it for the phone situation. I really love this phone. I love the way it looks. I love everything about it, and I just got it. So yeah, I'm just so excited to use it. I'm very excited to use it, if you guys can't tell. I'm just really excited. It's something new, and it's something that I wanted for a really long time. So I'm glad that I even had the money to even buy it, or even split the bill with my mom and stuff like that. I'm just so happy that I even got to do that. So y'all, that's that. But yeah, this is so cool. It's so cute, and yeah, I'm really thankful and everything. So yeah, but it's not the end, but it is the end. I'm just gonna show you guys the case and everything that I had got, whatever, when it does come, because it comes in 2 days. And yeah, I'll just see you guys then.
1 weekend of pampering later.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a good update on my phone and everything. So it's been 2 days since I have got my phone, and honestly, I freaking love it. Guys, the camera quality is so amazing. I'm gonna drop some pictures that I took with it, that my friend took for me. And all I have to say is the camera quality is amazing. Today is May 23rd at 10 12:03 at night, and honestly, as you guys can see, I have a case on my phone now. It's actually really pretty. I love it. I brought this like sparkly thing that goes around your camera. And then the type of case I got is basically the case where you could just really see the color of the phone. I just really like this case because the other case that I was using, it was my mom's. I'm not sure if I showed you guys that one yet. Yeah, I cannot find that. I just brought a whole lot of different shit from Amazon and just like kind of splurged. Yeah, but I don't know, I cannot find the other case that I was using prior to this phone case that I have now. So yeah, but I just wanted to do the outro of this video because this video is now officially over. So make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody that you think will like it also, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and peace. By the way, I also want to let you guys know, just to clear up the rumors or anything, not rumors, but just to clear up anything that might have been thought of. This video is not to brag in any way, shape, or form. I'm just really happy because I never, ever got to have stuff like this until now, like until like this part of my life. So I'm really excited. So whenever I get things, just make sure you guys know it's not to brag, it's not to, you know, try to show off or anything. No, it's just because I be very excited, and I just really love to show people like my accomplishments and everything that I have going on good in my life, because it's always good to show good things. It's always good to show like people like what makes you happy or whatever, but sometimes that's a gift and a curse. But we're not looking at the curse part, we're looking at the gift part right now. Okay, so we're just gonna, yeah, but that's all I want to say. Now I'm just gonna kindly close up the video now. Like I said, make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, somebody to stick with like it also, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified whenever I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, for real this time.